Today I will show you how to make and save changes to the parameter values while in the configuration menu. In order to get into the configuration menu, you're going to press and hold the temperature up and temperature down button simultaneously. You're going to press and hold both of them until P0 and two numbers will come up on your display. And you let go. In order to make any changes, you're going to press and hold both of them simultaneously once. It'll start flashing, meaning you'll be able to make your changes. Once your changes have been made, you're going to press both buttons simultaneously and it will stop flashing, meaning your changes have been saved. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit us at hubbleheaters.com.